Boys, it's lake day. We're at the first spot. It's actually right underneath a bridge. This place is called Greasy Creek. I'm gonna just cast and bring it. Look, there's a fish right here. There's a ton. We can already see fish. This is so good. Today, we're both gonna be working spinners. I'm working it on a 6'6" Bill Dance pole, medium. I'll probably throw a chatterbait too. Maybe a frog, we're gonna see. But this place looks too good not to just sit here and fish for a little bit. I think I just got tapped. I saw my lure shift directions in the middle of the water. Holy shit, that is a snake. I bet I could catch it. Oh! Well, you guys saw me try to catch it. Can't catch a fish, but I can catch a snake.
I'm bored, I'm bored.
There's a bass right here, dude. Yes, he was right in front of me. That was a good fish. I've seen 3 largies in here. I think we should go get live bait and come back to this spot. I've seen multiple good fish back here. All we gotta do is get him to bite. Whoop, whoop! That's the sound of the police. Well, that was terrifying. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what you just heard was the sound of the Hiwassee River Powerhouse Dam. We are fishing the Hiwassee today, and the goal for today is any kind of smallmouth. We actually heard about this spot specifically because a game warden came up and talked to us not too long ago, I'd say about 10 minutes. Asked us what we were fishing for, if we had our license, all that kind of stuff, and he told us that this spot was really good for smallmouth. So if we don't catch any today, we are blaming him. But he did say that some buddies of his caught a huge smallmouth not too long ago. So we're hoping we can have the same sort of luck as them. Today, I am throwing a black and blue chatterbait with a crawl chunk by Yum. I'll also be throwing a white chatterbait with a swim bait, minnow head by Cabela's. And we're just gonna work our way along this river and see if we can catch any fish. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but the water is kind of choppy right now. It's because they're releasing water from the actual dam itself. So I don't know how good the conditions are gonna be right now. Maybe later they'll be pretty good. But it looks like a little bit further upstream, there's a lot of rocks and it looks like some slower moving water in deep pockets. So maybe we can go up there and fish in just a second. Holy shit, that's a smallmouth right here. That was a tiny smallmouth, but I had 2 smallmouth right in front of me. They're about 6 inches long. Well, that's the first smallmouth I've really seen on the trip. Water is so clear. I'm okay with moving up because it looks like it starts to move a little slower up there. I haven't seen any big fish yet. I know there's another little smallie right here. This water's so clear, I want to see my fish hit it. Oh no, there's a big one right here. I'd be glad to pull any fish out right now. See those bait fish jumping out of the water? Okay, see where that tuft of grass is? The big one? Cast right next to there. There were 3 or 4 bait fish jumping out of the, yeah, there were bait fish jumping out of the water right there. This is why I hate trees. Hung on that tiny little limb. I see that little stream you're talking about now. There probably is a fish over there, just chilling. There's a little tiny fish. Chase that all the way over here. No way I'm hung right here. What, where is it? Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna walk around this way. Keep your eyes on that rock. Boys, we ran into another snake. Which rock is he in? Hold my beer. Apparently this is a quote-unquote big snake. That's a pretty big rock and it's gonna be right in the strike zone. However, and I could be wrong about this, I don't think snakes can strike in the water. There's a dead snake. This snake is huge. It's dead. Can you see this? Oh no, it's been dead for a while. This thing's been dead for a while. Man, what a snake. I'm gonna let that thing float down river. He got stuck in that rock and drowned. Oh, he smells pungent. All right guys, we have circled almost all the way around this spot of the river. We've worked our way across the actual river itself. I'm just working my chatterbait along this wall that's down in the water, and then we're gonna move up here next to where the actual dam is spitting out water. It's gonna be really nice. There's a lot of oxygen in the water, so we figured there'd be a fish here. I'm running that thing right next to the wall. If there's any fish down there, oh, I might come up and get it. I've already fallen in completely 4 times. So it's been a pretty good day. Yesterday was lake day and we did not get any bites. We saw a ton of big largies, but no bites. So probably what I'm gonna do is just combine these 2 videos and have this one towards the end. There aren't any boat fuckers here either, which is really nice. It's actually a really secluded spot. We'll probably come back here tomorrow. So if the game warden that showed us this spot told us about it, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. I'm gonna go come up. Oh my God. This is insane. Look at all this. This has got to be the thumbnail. Noah, I need your bait caster. He knows what it's for. He knows what it's for. No way! No way! That's a big smallie. Oh my God! Toad? Let's fucking go, boys! Let's go! No fish! No fish for this entire trip. Let's fucking go! Will you take a picture of me? Let's go! What a fish! This is 100% scale worthy. Will you help me get that? Will you get that out for me? I'm gonna take this out. Where does it go? Just put it as close to the middle of the lip as you can. Right here, right here. Yeah, actually, we gotta zero it first. Take it off, take it off. Alrighty. I got it. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Take a look at that, boys. 2 pounds, 5 ounces. Okay. What a fish. We're gonna have to get a release video. A nice release video. What a fish. El Toad. I am so happy. This is probably gonna be the thumbnail right here. Fuck the bait caster. All right, let's get a release video of this guy. You get as close to him as you can, okay? Ready? What a fish. Woo! Let's go, boys. Fish, so I thought I'd give her a try. Look how fat it is. That soft plastic right here, $7.95. She's a pricey one. Silverware in there as well.
Yes, there's 2 pictures.
Okay.
Right there.
Alrighty.
There you go.
Thank you.
What's going on?
You too. You guys remember the Hardee's Big Bag? Well, guess who just one-upped them? Oh, I don't even know if that fits in frame.
What is going on, guys? This is Pro Somebody, and today we caught a toad.
This man, I hope that picked that up, honestly. That's what I'll use. Boys, today I caught my first fish in, what was it, 6 days? 6 days of fishing, non-stop fishing. No fish until today, and it was a complete toad. It was worth it. That's actually what happened when I was fishing a lot too long ago, and then I caught Gary, so hey. Not only was it my first bass, or even just first fish of this trip, it was my first fish of the week. What was it? It was the first fish of something else too, wasn't it? Oh, and the first fish of the day. And I'm glad you brought that up. In the video, I did say that it was a smallmouth when I was pulling it in, but that's because I could just see its flash, so I really had no idea until I brought it in that it was a largemouth. But like I said, any fish is a fish that I was willing to pull out that day. Now, we're still on the mission for personal best smallmouth. But we've only got 2 more days on this fishing trip. So tomorrow we're gonna go back to the same spot where I caught that largie, and then I think the next day, well, let's say if tomorrow's not productive, then definitely 100% the next day, we're gonna go back to the lake, because it was supposed to be lake day. We'll go back to the lake underneath that bridge where we saw all the largies, and we're gonna use large shiners. We know of a bait shop that sells those. We couldn't find any. The minnows that we threw were actually really small. They were about this big. But I do think that if we have some bigger shiners, then it will work. I think we'll actually get some bites on those largies, and there were a ton of largies. I mean, literally, we were there for about an hour and a half, I would say, and we saw about 4 or 5 nice largies just cruising through. It kind of eddies out there, so there's a really nice spot for them to go in and kind of sit and, you know, look for bait fish. So that's why I think we're going to use the shiners 2 days from now. I also think that we've decided to go back to Knoxville on our last day of fishing. So, you know, hopefully we can catch another largie. I'm also gonna be fixing one of my bill dance poles. You guys haven't seen this in a video yet, but I did break one of my 5/6 bill dance poles. So that's pretty unfortunate. But I got some Gorilla Glue today, so Gorilla Glue. I can't complain with today. Today has been a productive day for me. I've still got a lot to do. I've got to edit, make some thumbnails. But if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button below, comment, rate, subscribe, do what you guys do, and I'll see you guys in the next one.